Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know I have been like MIA for a couple of weeks. I was literally just so drained by like 3 weeks ago. I was like, I'm just going to take a week off. And then when I'd done the 𝘕𝘢𝘪𝘭 video, I was like, cool, I think I'm ready to go and everything. And then I took another week off because I realized I was literally just drained. It's official. I'm going to be letting you guys know now when I'm going to take the next week or 2 weeks off, because doing this is actually such a process. Just bear with me and I'm gonna get there. But yes, here I am. I just needed a couple weeks off and I'm back. So I decided I'm going to do another press-on video. The first press-on video I done, I'm not even gonna lie, right now it just looks crazy. These are the things I'm going to use today. So full cover coffin nail, this lovely nude. I also got some gold just to see. I don't know if I'm going to use this for sure, but it's here. I'm going to try. And then I have these Luxe nail stickers that I have not used yet, and I'm really drawn towards like that one and that one, or those three, because these ones are just pink, and then these are all the same and these are all the same. So there's like these gold ones and they're all Dior, and then there are like all these pink ones, but they're like a mix. I'm going to see what I can do with these three, but I'm going to start by painting the nails. Okay, but yes, let's just get right into it. And I'm actually quite excited. It's been a minute since I've sat at my table and just looked at everything, and you know, I had to do some dusting. It was getting political, so yes, let's get into it. Okay, so first what you're going to want to do is file the tips off. Boom, and there you are. So that's it. You're not going to need the nail file anymore. So you just want to have your UV light ready and just go in with your color. So I think I'm just going to be making this up as I go along as well. Let me just prep my area and then I'll be right back. So I think I'm just going to start with the thumb, and I'm just going to cover the entire thing. I might change it up. No, probably definitely will change it up. You guys know me by now. I don't ever keep things simple, do I? So I'm just going to start by coating this all in the nude, and then I'm going to choose another one. That I'm quite happy with. Okay, so let me just choose another. Let me cure that. And guys, turn your curing light away from what's going on here, because it will affect it. Okay, you don't want to just leave it facing out and then your gels just start to harden and you're like, what happened? Like, caution. Okay, caution. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do this one. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna double coat these just so they can have like a nice clear. Ooh, I'm already wondering if I want these to be matted. Okay, happy with that. Let's take out the last one, give it another coat now. Oh, that's already looking juicy. Okay, and then the other ones I'm just gonna kind of figure out. Some Luxe matted nails. Hello, how can you argue with that? Like, you must be crazy. So I'm just gonna give this another coat. Okay, love it. Okay, so those two nails are done. What am I going to do with like all the rest? Okay, let's go with the pinky. Okay, let's do another layer on this. It's looking good so far. The others are great. I think I'm trying to just figure out how I'm going to do this. As you guys know, I'm like becoming a fan of making things up as you go along. So I'm going to see how this goes, but it's looking good so far. And I almost want to do one more coat, but I don't want to throw it off to the other now. So I think I'm just going to cure this and leave it at that. What do we have left? This and this. So maybe I should do one like a French, but I think I'm going to... maybe I should just cover them both and then figure it out later. Yeah, do you know what? I'm going to cover them both and figure it out later. And these two go in. So do I want to coat this one more time though? It's giving me like a completely jelly vibe. Okay, I'm gonna go in and just do one more coat and then I think I'm going to be happy. So yes, here we are. I'm just going to matte these actually right now, and I'm going to use the Beetles matte top. Oh, this is so exciting. I hope this comes out really, really cute, because I'm like, please come out cute. So here we go. Boom. Guys, yes, that is a nice base for me to add some of these onto now. Okay, let me think. So I think I want to definitely do a strip along there. I kind of want the name to be right there, but I don't think it's gonna work. Wait, hold on a minute. So I can move this up. You playing with me? Okay, I'm gonna move it up, start that right there, and now we do have the word down the middle. Great, figured it out, guys, figured it out. Okay, so boom, that's the first one. Okay, well, let's just be super simple with the thumb and stick one of these in the middle. You can't go wrong with just like a super simple. Okay, so that's going to be the thumb. Let me just pop that right down the middle. Okay, so that's quite cute. Okay, no, let me do the same thing for right there because that looks so cute. Okay, I think I might just do this whole hand Chanel. Okay. There you go. What can I do for right there? I do want to switch it up and use some white though. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's try that. Well, kind of looks exactly the same. But yes, no, let me just leave it right there. Cut that part off. And now we have those three, okay? I said I wanted to do like a French tip, so I think I'm just gonna go for it. Let's see. In the middle. Okay, something like that. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. Let's just cue that. Okay, I think I'm going to do some of these on the top there. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that like that. Make sure it's cleared underneath. I'm just going to use the Beetles Top It Off top jar. Let's do this. Okay, first make sure there ain't no dust around you, because oh my gosh, I feel like the table is trying to get revenge on me. Like, you haven't used me in a while. Okay, I'm gonna show you. But no, let me just... Shiny for sure. Shiny for sure. Okay, so I'm just gonna cue that. And that's it, guys. I just wanted to give you, you know, a quick tutorial on my update for decorating press-ons. You can absolutely go crazy with press-ons. Like, there are just so many wonderful ideas. Like, this is my thing. I'm forever like coming up with so many ideas, but picking one is the hardest thing in the world. Okay, so just go for it. I would first say explore different sets, just on 5 fingers, so you can see whether or not you actually like the collection. Because if you don't, what's the point of going out there and promoting it as something that you love to do, you know? And then how time consuming is it as well? A lot of people want to start press-on businesses and don't actually realize how time consuming decorating some press-ons are. Okay guys, so before I show you the nails, what they look like, I just wanted to show you my business card. This is what it looks like. How truly adorable is it? I designed it myself on Canva. Freaking love Canva. It makes it so easy. And yeah, no, it just fits my whole aesthetic for my YouTube and Instagram. So yeah, I have a loyalty card at the back, so when you get to your 5th appointment, you can have 50% off no matter what the price is. If you go in with all the gems and go ham and whatever, 50% off. Okay, so yes, again, if you're in the East London area or in the London area and you just want to do your nails and have a good time, have a good laugh, then holla, send me a DM on Instagram. Okay, let's do this. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know how you feel about these. I'm nearly at 500 subscribers as well, guys, so that's so exciting because I'm going to do a massive giveaway. I have like 3 bits to give away, so there is going to be a minimum of 3 winners, okay, but there could be up to 5 winners. Okay, so yes, nearly there, and then my next video officially is going to be the giveaway, so don't miss out on the next video. Okay, make sure you pop the notification bell on just so you know when that's out. But again, thanks for watching this video, guys. Love you. Bye.